Sunday, the 2nd of June, 2024. 9:35, about 70 degrees. We're outside Cartersville, Georgia. We're looking for Georgia 293. I think we're on it. I don't know Cartersville well enough. We may be getting some rain, some storms. Interesting lighting, the plush green with the backdrop of the gray skies. Very nice contrast. I like it. Kingston and Cartersville and use the Insta360 video, walk the tracks a little bit. Looks like a new fire station, but I'm just guessing. I think we're right. I think this is 293. Road signage is terrible now. With all the GPS, the states, the counties, the municipalities, they're just not signing these roads the way they used to. Anybody still trying to use a hard map and follow road signs, they've got a task ahead of them. Okay, let's see what this says. Should say Junction 293, connector. We must be on 293 and we're coming up on the connector. What, 293 to the right? That's the connector. North 293, okay. Kingston 6, Rome, I didn't see. We just got some pictures of mimosas. They don't seem to be as vibrant this year. They seem to have like a dirty, hazy tinge. There's this horse chestnut tree in bloom. They have a very distinctive smell. A lot like the Bradford pears. Leaving Cartersville, gas is $3.39. I've seen it at $3.14 back in Cartersville. Plenty right now. Videoing with the S22. We've just done a video with the S22 Ultra. It's a 30-minute video, so I don't think we're going to try to upload it. We're going to get this bumper car off of us. Bumper car and bumper FedEx. More housing out there to the left, new development. Let's go ahead and turn this off for right now. Just come into Kingston city limits. Running parallel with the railroad track that comes out of Cartersville and makes a turn north and goes up on in through, I guess, North Georgia, Dalton. This part of the railroad tracks is part of the Great Locomotive Chase. And the General and the Texas. I don't know where the Texas picked back up, or where the Texas came into play, but this is part of the rail line of the Great Locomotive Chase. The Texas and the General. The General's on display in Big Shanty, Kennesaw, in the museum. The Texas is on display at Atlanta History Center in Buckhead, where the Cyclorama is. It used to be in Grant Park, but it's now moved up to Buckhead. Get a train? Are we going to get a train or partial train, or what are we going to get here? This is double track. A lot of times here, Cartersville and Emerson, a train will be on one track waiting for another train to come through. We didn't know that until recently. We may be able to get two trains. Well, this is just a locomotive by itself. Huh, that's interesting. Locomotive 5364.